everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name's Cori, for those of you who do not know me by now. If you are new here, go ahead and subscribe and give this video a like. And don't forget to hit that little notification bell so you are notified when I post a new video. I post new videos twice a week, and one of them is just a normal everyday video, and for the fall season I'm going to be doing a video dedicated to something fall related. As you can tell by the title of this video and probably the reason why you clicked on this video, I will be doing a essential oils 101. When I first started getting into essential oils, it was really overwhelming because there's so many options to choose from. To be honest, they're kind of pricey. Obviously, like, once you get more and more into it, you know more about what kind of scents you like, what oils you need for your specific needs. But I decided to make this video to kind of make it a little bit easier on you if you're wanting to get into essential oils and all that jazz. Here is my collection of essential oils. I even have a couple over here. But I've been into essential oils for about 2 years now, and I have never looked back. I am going to be one of those moms that you see on Facebook that rave about essential oils all the time and plaster them all over their kids. That's going to be me. If you're interested in essential oils and you don't really know where to start, then just keep watching this video. So first I'm going to start by telling you guys how you can use essential oils. So my favorite way is to diffuse them. As you can see behind me, I have my diffuser going. I got this one from TJ Maxx, and it is the brand Bluesin. I'll attach a link down below in the description box of, hopefully I can find it on Amazon, but if I do, I'll leave a link down below. Honestly, if you are on a budget and you don't really want to spend a lot of money on a diffuser, definitely go to TJ Maxx or Marshall's. They always have some there, and they range from about $15 to $40, which is really good because a lot of the essential oil companies sell them on their websites, and it's pretty steep. Okay, one day I'm going to be there, but if you, using them. You can also apply them topically. A lot of the time it's smart to buy a carrier oil or something. You can use coconut oil if you want to put it on your skin or something. Mix it with coconut oil, but I use coconut oil just so it doesn't irritate your skin. What I also do is whenever I'm taking a shower, I put a few drops of whatever oil I want in it before I hop in, and it just steams up into the air, and it is very comforting. The first oil I'm going to talk about, let me just preface this real quick. So I had a friend ask me one time what I would consider to be the gateway oil into essential oils, and that was a really good question because I never really thought about it that way. But I'm going to say, for me personally, it is peppermint. I have this one by doTERRA. This one is probably my favorite oil because one of the biggest things that peppermint helps with, in my opinion, is headaches. So I have it in the bottle form that you can diffuse into the air or even put on you, but I also have it by the brand I don't know how to say it. I'm not gonna say it. That's the brand, okay? This one is Peppermint Halo, and it is a roller ball, so you can apply it on your forehead, on your neck, on your wrists, on your feet. You can put it anywhere, okay? And this one starts to tingle whenever it starts to work its magic, you know, and it is really soothing if you have headaches. I suffer from pretty bad headaches very often. Whenever it rains, I get pressure headaches, and this is a lifesaver because I don't really like to take Advil a ton because it's bad for your liver. Yeah, so I like to use this, and it really does help with migraines. I had a friend once who suffered from really bad migraines that it would put him in the hospital and blah blah, and no migraine medicines worked for him. Advil didn't work. He would be like, they were debilitating for him, but someone recommended for him to use peppermint oil, and it was one of the only things that worked for him. So those of you who are skeptical about essential oils, don't be, because they work and I believe in them. Okay, so the next one I'm going to talk about is by Beechwood Essential Oils. This is their relaxation blend, and it is a blend of like lavender, vanilla, and a few other things. I'll link all of the oils I mentioned in the video today down below so you guys can check them out. But this one, those of you who stress a lot and have lots of built up anxiety and all that fun stuff, you need this in your life, okay? I'm a big fan of lavender. It's probably one of my go-tos. Even if you don't want to get a blend, definitely just go get some regular old lavender. This one's a roller ball that I have. Honestly, I have lavender. I have so many different forms of lavender because it smells so good and it's so comforting. I normally use lavender like at nighttime whenever I'm doing my nighttime routine, before I go to bed. I have pillow spray, I have the roll-on, I have it in blends, I have it in just the oil singles. I'm telling y'all, I love lavender, and it is a very calming and relaxing scent, and I use it before I go to bed, and it really does help me fall asleep. Next oil I'm going to talk about is eucalyptus. This one is by Nature Love. I got this one from TJ Maxx. So if you get sick a lot during the colder months, or if you just get really stuffy and suffer from allergies, definitely look into eucalyptus. I like to mix eucalyptus with peppermint, and I like to diffuse it, and I also like to put eucalyptus on like under my nose and on my forehead if I'm feeling stuffy, and sometimes on my chest. And it's kind of like a natural vapor rub because it really helps open up your sinuses. You can also pour it into your hand and just inhale it, and it really opens up your sinuses. It's good for you to breathe in, it's good for your lungs. So yeah, if you suffer from asthma, allergies, stuffy nose, if you have a cold, definitely look into getting eucalyptus. And the last oil I'm going to talk about today is also from doTERRA. It is their On Guard blend. This one I swear by, okay? I have it in the oil, and I also have it in the beadlets. So what you do with this one is it's supposed to help prevent you from getting sick. So if you start feeling like a little scratchy in your throat, or if you're starting to get a little stuffy, I like to take 2 of these a day, and then I also like to diffuse this because it helps purify the air and get rid of all the yuckies that are in the air. And honestly, I haven't been sick, like sick. I can't even tell you. I don't know about y'all, but I don't have time to get sick, okay? I'm a full-time student, I tutor, I am on the dance team, I like to work out, and I like to live a pretty active lifestyle, so ain't nobody got time to get sick. Alright, so that wraps up today's video. I hope you guys learned something about essential oils, and I hope this inspired you to start using essential oils. They are very supportive to me and it's fun for me to find new oils. So if you guys have any suggestions of ones that you swear by like I do, then definitely comment them down below, because I'd love to try out some new ones. Go outside and do something that makes you happy, and I'll see you guys later on this week. Bye!